What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, GBP USD on the lower time frame has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade GBP USD. First of all, let's look at monthly perspective to see what's happening in the market. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that GBP USD there has been a very strong drop on the monthly perspective to this historically low price, and from this level what we have seen that this price has a strong rejection, change its long term downtrend to the uptrend. Currently the price is now strongly bullish after the previous monthly doji. We have seen the price has broken the low of the doji, created an overextended market to the downside, and then immediately has reversed, marched its long term downtrend. Now, where we can expect this price to be heading? As you can see, as the momentum is high, we could see eventually a break of this previous monthly high. So we can expect now the price at least to reach the monthly high or break of this, test this monthly 20 EMA or this doji where there is a high liquidity area. So let's look at weekly perspective to see how the price action is doing. Now, from the weekly perspective, we have seen that after the previous weekly doji, which is in fact a strong rejection from this lower price, we have seen GBPUSD started to push up. Now, if we take our Fibonacci from the weekly perspective, we see that this price has come to 50% Fibonacci level, which is satisfactory from the Fibonacci retracement perspective. And once the candle close, we see that there is no effort from the seller. Instead of selling pressure, we have seen with a gap opening, the buyers push that price high. And because there is no significant resistance coming up, we could see that from the weekly perspective, GBPUSD to continue to go up at least to this level or even breaking this high. So now let's look at daily perspective to see how the price action is forming. Now, from the daily perspective, we see that this is a typical bullish market. There is a long consolidation here, couple of times liquidity grab. From the daily perspective, there was a lot of ups and down. This is a huge liquidity grab, and from this level with this bullish engulfer, we have seen GBPUSD has broken out of this structure, has come back down, tested exactly the previous neckline, this previous resistance zone here as a support with this daily candle. And also we have seen this with this daily 20 EMA, a clean price action. As you can see, it's showing a strong bullish buy signal from the daily perspective as it has crossed the liquidity from this zone. And according to the rules of our trend following strategy, we see that GBPSD showing a strong bullish pattern. Now let's look at lower time frame to see how we can find trading opportunity. Now, this is the candle that is closing in 38 minutes. So let's find out how the price action has formed. Now, if you look at this zone here, there are back to back two liquidity grab on GBP USD, and these two candles, long week candles, in fact a big sign that GBP USD preparing for a big move to the upside, as multiple term liquidity grab from this important level, giving this price to a strong fuel for pushing to the upside. So as you can see, after this back to back two long week candle, the price has created another structure which is significantly bullish. And now with this current candle, what we see that the price is breaking out of this structure. What we can expect now after closing as a bullish engulfer with this current candle, with a wickless candle, we could potentially see a retest of this neckline, previous resistance zone turning support. And from this zone, if we see significant rejection, we can consider going long on GBPUSD to take this move to the upside with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GBP USD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.